So this is a new version, a little bit modified GoPro rig. At the bottom, not 2 cameras but 3. This is for the third camera. It's nadir, but this camera is possible to mount 2 ways, from this side and this side. Да. For the tripod, better to find similar to this one and along this part, so you can screw from up to. Put camera on a tripod, and from this side screw it, fix it. This is a normal position, and this is upside down version where nadir cameras at the zenith. 1, 2, 3 cameras, so it's 19 cameras rig. In this case 4 cameras at nadir and 3 on zenith. And we'll show you how to easy set up all cameras on this rig. You need to download application. I will send you a link. Here you can set up different presets for your shooting. Choose different resolution, then choose this preset. If you change something, here QR code will change, and then just show this code to all cameras. As you can see, very quickly it changed all necessary settings in your cameras. Just show it to all of your cameras. Also, if you start shooting this day, for example, better to make a gem sync. Just choose gem sync template, make some settings, and also show this code to GoPro cameras. And after this, all cameras will have gem sync, and you can easily draft stitching in the MistikaVR using timecode synchronization. For the perfect synchronization, you need to use other software like Adobe After Effects or similar. Also, for this third camera at the nadir, I will send you a custom firmware on a flash drive. You need to update this firmware. Also, you need to know that do not update firmware on your GoPro cameras from the original application, GoPro application, because all these cameras have custom firmware, and that's why it's so easy to set up all cameras in this rig by using the QR code. So thanks for watching. Bye.